welcome back to my channel. This is Ade and today I'm gonna show you what can I get in 100 baht in this market Talat Phlu. So stay tuned in this video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go guys! Oh, ni nang
100น่าจะ300อย่างเดียวเหรอคะคนหนึ่ง100คนหนึ่ง
เอานี่นัง
40 บาทค่ะ
เอาไรอ๋อโอเคสอง
10 บาท
iya oke oke ขอบคุณค่ะ
ไหนดีคะ
อันนี้10 บาทเอานี่สองขอบคุณมากค่ะเอานี้20จ้ะโอเคอ๋อโอเคอันนี้ขอบคุณค่ะ Ta-da! This is all what I've got from the market, guys. Wow, so many things here. So let's unboxing all of this food, guys. Wow, I'm so excited. First of all, I have dessert. Wow, this is so colorful. I have noodle. Ta-da! Wow. I have chickens. I bought juice. Last but not least is banana dessert. I don't know what is this, so I'm gonna try this. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what I've got from the market. That is chicken 20 baht, noodle 20 baht, and then this banana cake is 10 baht, and this, I don't know, dessert is 40 baht, and juice is 10 baht. Okay, so I spent only 100 baht for all of this food, guys. So let's try one by one. Okay, so which one I should try first? Chicken, noodles, snack, or juice? Okay, let me just try from the juice first, guys. So this is passion fruit, only 10 baht from the market. Bismillah. Sweet. So second thing, which one I should try? Okay, maybe this one. Alright, so this is one of, wow, it's fall down. So yeah, this is one of the snack in Thailand, but actually this is also available in Indonesia. We call this kueh ku. In Thailand, I forgot what we call this, but well, let's try, guys. I always love this. Next, what I should try? Chicken, noodle, or banana cake? Okay, let's save the chicken for the last, guys. So I'm gonna try the banana cake. Yeah, it's only 5 baht for one piece. So I bought 2 for 10 baht. I never tried this one. Let's see. Oh wow, it's like this. Let's try. It's not banana. This one made from flour, and then inside is the coconut, sweet coconut, guys. Oh, it's nice. Okay, so last but not least is the noodle and the chicken, and I was so lucky to get 3 pieces of chicken, guys. Actually one piece already 10 baht, but yeah, the lady was really kind. She gave me 1 extra. Okay, let's try the noodle. You want? Bismillah. Again. I love this kind of noodle. And last but not least, guys, the chicken. Overall, I love everything here. So, do you think it's worth to spend 100 baht for all of this food, guys? What do you think? Is it expensive or not? So if you are in Thailand or you are in Bangkok, you can visit any market, traditional market, and try their food, guys. It's really worth to try. Okay, so this is what I've got from 100 baht to spend in the traditional market in Bangkok. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, guys. Bye bye.